इतने व्यस्त हो गए हैं कि उन्हें अपने बच्चों के तरफ ध्यान देने का वक्त ही नहीं। इस नाटक में हम दो परिवार दिखा रहे हैं, जहां एक तरफ गंगूबाई और उसका पति बहुत गरीब होने के बावजूद भी अपनी बच्ची को पूरा स्नेह और समय देते हैं और उसकी तरक्की की वजह बनते हैं। तो वहीं दूसरी ओर सक्सेना परिवार अपने बच्चे की फीलिंग्स को नहीं समझ पाता और उसके मानसिक तनाव यानी कि डिप्रेशन का कारण बनता है। इस नाटक द्वारा हमारा यह प्रयास है कि आप इन परिवारों को महसूस करें और सोचें कि आप अपने बच्चे के प्रति कितने संवेदनशील हैं। सुबह के 6 बजे हैं और राहुल की मम्मी लेट नाइट पार्टी से बस अभी अभी आई है और राहुल स्कूल के लिए तैयार हो रहा है।
गुड मॉर्निंग मम्मा।
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा।
गुड मॉर्निंग डैडी।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
मम्मा प्लीज मेक सम ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर मी, आई हैव टू गो टू स्कूल।
Where is Gangu? Tell her I came so late. Let me sleep beta.
Mama, she isn't there. She went her home last night and she didn't come today.
Oh, what a torture this is. Now the whole day will get disturbed. I had to have complete rest. I have to go to Mrs. Mathur's party. So ridiculous.
Oh, how unlucky I am. My parents have no care for me. And how lucky the poor child the maid has. Really, I'm so unlucky. Oh God, why didn't you give me such parents like Gangu auntie?
नमस्ते बाबा।
नमस्ते बेटा।
नमस्ते आई। नमस्ते बेटा।
कैसा लग रहा है बेटा? तुम्हारी तबीयत खराब थी ना?
ठीक है बाबा। सुरभि बेटा, आज स्कूल मत जाना, मैं भी आज काम पर नहीं जाऊंगी।
पर बेटा मुझे तो ऑटो चलाने जाना पड़ेगा ना, हमें रोटी के लिए इतना तो करना पड़ेगा ना।
अरे बाबा, मुझे क्या हुआ है, मैं तो ठीक हूँ।
अरे बेटा, अपनी तबीयत ठीक तो सब ठीक, अपना परमेश्वर पर भरोसा हो ना तो ठीक हो जाता है। तो बेटा आज अपनी माँ के साथ अस्पताल चली जाना।
Oh yes. Good evening, Daddy.
गुड इवनिंग राहुल।
It was a nice day at my school. I think my friends are planning some kind of surprise plan for me. There is birthday of mine tomorrow. I'm so happy today. But I'm so hungry. What should I eat now?
मैडम घर में है क्या? अरे राहुल बाबा।
Yes, आंटी।
मैडम घर में है क्या?
नहीं आंटी, मेरी मम्मी बाहर गई है।
अच्छा, राहुल बाबा मैडम को बोल देंगे क्या? मैं ना और 2 दिन काम पे नहीं आएंगी। वो मेरी लेक आजारी है ना, और कल उसका हैप्पी बर्थडे भी है, तो मेरे को उसके साथ रहना पड़ेगा।
अरे आंटी, आपकी बच्ची को क्या हुआ? वो ठीक तो है ना?
नहीं राहुल बाबा, उसको बस थोड़ा सा ताप है और खोखला भी है।
ठीक है आंटी, मैं मेरी मम्मी के आने के बाद बता दूंगा।
थैंक यू राहुल बाबा।
Look, how much caring she is about her daughter. How much love is there between them. And here my mom dad, they are completely engaged in their work. No love for me. Though she is poor, but rich by heart. God, parents should be like Gangu auntie.
Oh, hello Mrs. Rathi. Yeah, I am fine. How are you? Yeah. Oh, she told me. Yeah. Oh, that day I was so busy.
Good evening, Mama.
Good evening, beta. Rahul, did you eat today?
Yes, Mama.
No, not to you. I was talking to my son. Yeah. Okay. I'll call you later. Bye-bye.
Good evening, Daddy.
Yes, good evening, beta. How is your study going on, Rahul?
Fine, Daddy.
All right, keep it up. What happened, Rahul?
Daddy, tomorrow there is my birthday.
Oh, your birthday is there. My child's birthday is there. Yes, come sit here. What precious gift do you want, Rahul, tomorrow? Tell me.
Daddy, I don't want any precious gift. I just want your time. Please spend your time with me.
Oh, time. I don't have time, Rahul. You do one thing. Just take this amount and go anywhere you want to go and enjoy your birthday, okay?
Daddy, I want to ask you something.
What do you want to ask?
Daddy, how much amount do you earn a day?
Why are you asking me this question?
Daddy, please tell me.
Why?
Mama,
Oh, tell him now if he wants to know. Why don't you tell him?
Okay, listen. I have a business. Sometimes I earn 5,000 to 10,000 a day. Okay?
Daddy, I am coming in just a second. Daddy, these are 5,000 rupees. You please take it, but please spend some time with me. Tomorrow there is my birthday, so please do something for me, Daddy. It's a request. Mama, please spend some time with me tomorrow. Please be with me tomorrow.
But beta, tomorrow beauty contest is there na.
Mama, I don't want to talk with you. You don't love me. You won't spend time with me.
But beta, listen.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
नमस्ते आई। जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभेच्छा सुरभि बेटा।
बेटा मैं बहुत बड़ा तो तोहफा नहीं ला सका, परंतु ये मेरे तरफ से रखो।
आई बाबा, मुझे ये बड़े बड़े तोहफे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे तो बस आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए।
बेटा हमारा आशीर्वाद तो तुम पर हमेशा रहेगा।
Hello. Oh, yes, Mr. Kapoor. I have talked to Mr. Roy. He's ready to give us an order. What? You're not interested in it? But why? Listen. Listen to me. Listen. What the bloody deal is this? Very miser he is. If it had in my control, I would have shot him. How disgusting. Gangubai. Gangubai. Where is Gangubai?
She hasn't come, Daddy.
Natasha, make a cup of coffee for me.
Oh darling, just wait. How boring.
Natasha, make a cup of coffee for me.
Darling.
Natasha, make a cup of coffee for me. You didn't listen what I said? Here the person has been completely exhausted and you don't care of me? Just go and make a cup of coffee for me. How sad it is.
और आज का हमारा प्राइज जाता है राहुल सक्सेना को।
Oh, yes. Good evening, Mama. Good evening, Daddy.
Good evening, Rahul.
Mama, Daddy, look at this. I have got trophy in the science exhibition.
Oh, keep it up, beta.
They have no love, no care for me. How can I tell them that my school principal has invited both of them for the felicitation ceremony? I have to ask. Mama, Daddy, my school principal has invited both of you for the felicitation ceremony. So, will you come?
No, beta. You know that there is tender meeting. How can I come? You please ask your mother.
Mama,
Oh yes, Mrs. Rathi. Oh yes, yes. In the society. Oh yes, I'll try to come. Okay, bye-bye.
Mama, will you come?
Oh beta, now only Mrs. Rathi invited me for the kitty party. I can't come beta. Better luck next time. Sorry.
How sad I am. Today I have received such a great award for my excellence, and my mom dad have no love, no happiness for me. I'm not comfortable at this place. What to do now? They gave me all the materialistic pleasure which I need, but no love. What to do now? Oh,
आई देख, मुझे ट्रॉफी मिली है। बहुत अच्छा बेटा।
बेटा तुमने हमारा नाम रोशन कर दिया। क्या ये सुरभि का घर है?
सर आइए आइए।
आओ आओ सर, बैठिए।
बैठिए बैठिए, मैं चाय बनाकर लाती हूँ।
अभिनंदन आप सभी को। सुरभि का इंटरनेशनल साइंस एग्जीबिशन में पहला नंबर आया है। ओहो, बताया उसने। लेकिन एक बात नहीं बताई होगी कि वह नासा जाने के लिए चुनी गई है और अगले हफ्ते अमेरिका जाएगी और भारत में यह अकेली लड़की है। सच्ची में मुझे तो विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मेरी बेटी इतनी ऊंचाई तक पहुंचेगी। यह सब तो भगवान की कृपा है। मैं आप सबको इस बात के लिए अभिनंदन देना चाहता हूँ।
My parents have no time for me. Only money and their life matters for them. Why should I leave then? All my school appreciate their parents. Why? Because their parents take them to the outstations. Their parents love them a lot. But here I am completely alone. There is nobody to understand my emotions, my thinking. I have to do something. Yes, I have to do. I feel I am a stepson for them. What is the meaning of life then? If I have no love of my parents in life, why should I live then? Yes, there is no meaning of life. Yes, I have to die. Yes, I have to die. Yes, I have to die. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm an orphan for you.
No, no.
You don't love me.
Rahul!
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I have to die. I have to die.
Bring water, bring water. Rahul, get up.
Rahul,
Get up, Rahul.
Rahul.
Rahul, get up.
राहुल तो अपने माता पिता के व्यस्त जीवन का शिकार हो गया। अब हमें यह सोचना है कि हमें हमारे बच्चों को समय देना है या हमारा व्यस्त जीवन। इस नाटक को हमने कोई नाम नहीं दिया। हम चाहते हैं कि आप इसे नाम दें। द ड्रामा इज अनटाइटल्ड। जस्ट टाइटल इट एंड सेव योर चाइल्ड। थैंक यू।